Hey everyone, welcome back to Focus Study Nation. Today, I'm super excited to share with you one of the most powerful tools for smarter learning mind mapping. If you're looking for a way to boost your study sessions, stay tuned. So, what exactly is a mind map? Think of it like a visual representation of your thoughts, a diagram that organizes information in a way your brain loves. It's not just about taking notes, it's about seeing the bigger picture. First up, let's talk about how to create a mind map. Start with a central idea. This could be the topic you're studying, like World War II or photosynthesis. Write it down in the center of your page and draw a circle around it. Next, you'll branch out from this central idea with key subtopics. For World War II, you might have branches like key events, important figures, and impact on society. From each subtopic, you can add more details and even smaller branches. It's like growing a tree of knowledge. Why does this work so well? Mind maps engage both sides of your brain. The left side loves the logical structure, while the right side enjoys the creative branching and colors. This combo helps you remember and understand the material more effectively. Let's dive into some tips to make your mind maps even better. Use different colors for different branches. This makes it visually appealing and helps categorize information. Add images, symbols, or doodles, anything that makes the map more engaging and memorable. You can also use mind mapping software if you prefer digital over paper. There are tons of great options like Xmind, MindMeister, and Coggle. These tools often come with extra features like templates and easy sharing. Now, how can mind mapping specifically help with studying? Imagine preparing for an exam. Instead of flipping through pages of notes, you have a single, colorful map that lays out all the key points. It's easier to review and makes your study sessions more efficient. Plus, the visual aspect helps with recall during the exam. Alright, it's time to put this into practice. Grab a piece of paper, some colored pens, and start mind mapping your next study topic. Trust me, your brain will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Focus Study Nation for more tips on smarter learning. See you next time, and happy studying.